Hollywood rejected me. So I put myself in my own movie. You're welcome, Hollywood.
I just died in your arms tonight. It must have been something you said. I just died in your arms tonight.
And Hollywood is freaking out right now because normal, everyday people can now be the star of their own movie. Action, horror, sci-fi, comedy. You, if you're watching this video, you can now be the star of your very own movie with one single text prompt. And that's exactly what we're talking about today. Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0. Stick around because I'm also going to show you 3 powerful ways to make money with this technology today. But real quick, if you guys want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money with them as well before everyone else knows about it, be sure to join my completely free newsletter. It's sent out once a week. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join right now completely for free. You can now cast real characters, such as yourself, and direct your performances across multiple scenes. So here's what's new in Cinema Studio 2.0 and why it matters. First, it's 3D scene exploration. Now, you take an image that you generated with Higgsfield, and you can literally walk inside it. Check it out. I generated this image right here, and it created me a 3D scene that can show us the preview of what we can do inside of our image. And you can basically use this so you don't waste credits before you create your movie. Check this out, guys. You can spin all the way around. Look how crazy that is. You can literally walk inside of your own world before you generate a video. So you can generate your ideas like this picture, and then you can throw it in a 2x2 grid, a 3x3, or even a 4x4 grid layout so that you can compare variations side by side before you commit and waste any credits. And you can use this to build out a full storyboard for your videos before a single frame gets animated. This alone saves hours of time. The third feature in Higgsfield that you need to know about is genre-based motion logic. This is a big one. So basically, before you generate your video, you come down here and you can choose between action, horror, comedy, western, suspense, intimate, and spectacle. An entire cinematic feel of your shot changes. Horror moves slower and builds tension. Action is dynamic, fast, and aggressive. And comedy holds on reactions longer for timing. The AI actually understands filmmaking language now. It's just, I can't believe this is possible in 2026. The fourth is multi-shot storytelling. Let me show you what I mean. Up to 6 shots per sequence. Before you generate your movie, you can come up here and add 6 different scenes, totaling 12 seconds. You can go multi-shot auto mode, and you let the AI do its job for you. Let it pick the best scenes, the best type of scenes and action shots. Or you can go manual to have full control over your entire movie. And the fifth system that you need to know with Higgsfield is the character system. So you can add up to 3 characters to your scene here. You upload image of you, your girlfriend, your friend, your family, whatever you want. You can make an entire movie about your whole world. The even crazier part is for each character, you can actually control their emotions per shot. Happy, sad, angry, surprised, focus. You write the dialogue.
Oh no! Oh my god!
The system handles lip sync automatically, and your characters stay visually consistent across the entire sequence. This is not a gimmick, guys. This is a full Hollywood character pipeline. And the sixth, speed ramp control. This is where it gets crazy Hollywood style. Slow motion for dramatic emphasis. Linear for natural movement. Accelerated for high energy. And you set this during generation. You generate, compare, finalize, done. You have full control over your entire Hollywood career. This tool isn't just cool. It's a legitimate income source. And I've got 3 ways to make money with it. And I think the third one is the way that most people are sleeping on. The first way is straightforward. Businesses need content. So musicians like this small musician, these people need real cinematic music videos. Real estate agents need property walkthroughs, and podcasters need trailers. Restaurants need ads, so on and so forth. There are millions of these types of businesses that need video content, professional cinematic video content. But now that you have Cinema Studio 2.0, you can deliver professional level, Hollywood looking video content faster than any traditional production company at the fraction of a cost. Let me show you exactly how to do this. Let's say we're going after music artists, people who need music videos, small independent artists. What we're going to do is this. We're going to go to Facebook. We're going to search in groups. Local musicians. Perfect. Check this out, guys. 99,000 members, 27,000 members, 76,000 members, 20 posts a day, 90 posts a day. These groups are super active. This is where you can get clients. You can post a quick sample music video that you created on Higgsfield, and you will get DMs like crazy. These people are desperate for music videos. But the majority of them, let's actually go into this one here. The majority of them can't afford music videos. They can't afford productions and directors and cameras and renting the equipment and the people and the space and the time. It's just so much money. And these people are broke. Let's be honest. They don't have money to spend. But if you charge these people, let's say $500 per video, yes, they can swing it. They can borrow $500 from their mother. It's okay. So let's say we reached out to local musicians and some guy wants us to make a music video of him. He sends us his headshot here. We're going to take this. We're going to go into cinema. Let me show you how to create a great Hollywood style music video for him that you can charge $500, $1,000, $4,000 for. Let's get into it. Okay. First thing we're going to do is we're going to drop his picture into the spot. Depending on what he wants, let's say he wants different shots in a dive bar or a restaurant or walking on the street. You can always come down here to multi-shot manual and plug in the exact prompts that you want for each scene. But in this case, we're just going to set it to auto and see what it gives us. We're going to set it to auto. We're going to give it a prompt like this. Make this man playing guitar on stage at a dive bar with a lot of smoke everywhere. The crowd is super, super engaged. There is a spotlight on him and he looks extremely relaxed. Awesome. Cool. So we're going to set the duration to 12 seconds. And again, you could always stitch these videos together. Auto, we're going to go, let's see. We're going to do orbit around. Action, let's do spectacle. Perfect. Speed ramp, we're going to set it to slow motion. Cool. Everything looks good. 16:9 at the bottom, 1080, spectacle, sound on, and we're going to do 1 batch size. We're going to add the start frame here, which is this guy. And we're going to see what it gives us.
The girl who I love, she's gonna leave soon.
You can do the same thing with restaurant owners. Check this out. There are millions and millions of restaurant owners in thousands of groups. Look at this engagement. 90 posts a day, 90 posts, 30 posts. These groups are super active. Again, you're not trying to force anything down anyone's throat. You're only providing value, showing examples, and having them come to you. This type of technology is so new that 99% of the world doesn't know about it. And when they see that a video like this can be made for, let's say, $500 or $1,000, they're going to jump all over it. You can also target parenting groups, make videos about a kid. Imagine like a mother who has a kid who's the star of his own show. I remember I sent one of these videos to my nephew and he watched it for weeks. He was obsessed. He was the star of his own show. He was a superhero in a cape. Mothers and fathers will pay hundreds, possibly thousands of dollars for videos like this made on Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0. The second way to make money with Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0 is to approach social media creators and creators on YouTube and offer them monthly packages. And here's what I mean. You basically approach brands who need consistent social media content. Let's go on YouTube. Let's check gardening. Let's also check tech videos. There's crypto channels, car and boat channels. It's virtually unlimited amount of content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You can find them anywhere. Their email addresses are scattered in YouTube and across their social media platforms. Send them a simple email like this. Hi friend, was wondering if you're interested in taking your social media to a whole new level with cinematic video. If you're interested, hit reply. Let's have a conversation. And that's all it takes, guys. Business idea number 3 is the one that most people sleep on, and that's creating your own social media channel or YouTube channel and monetizing your content through sponsors, through brand deals, through ad revenue, through merchandise, through affiliate links. 5-10 years ago, it used to be hard to create quality content because you had to know how to edit. You had to have a voiceover artist. You had to record the voice yourself or video or scripting, whatever the case may be. Now, with Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0, you have the voiceover, the script, the movie, the lights, the camera, the action, everything is built right in from a single text prompt. And when your production quality goes up, brands notice. You start to get more views, more ad revenue, more affiliate links and sponsorships, and the revenue compounds over time. This is not an immediate money play like the first 2 items on the list. This is a long-term business. You want to build on YouTube as the top of the funnel and then create your business outside of YouTube as well. But start with YouTube. YouTube is where you get all the attention. With tools like this, I think nowadays in 2026, anybody can make cinematic quality movies, videos, YouTube channel content, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever the case may be. The barrier to entry now has virtually disappeared. You have no more excuses, guys. And if this video got your brain moving on how AI can actually generate income for you, this is exactly what I teach in my free weekly newsletter. I show you the latest and the greatest AI trends, tools, and news broken down in a simple step-by-step fashion for normal people to start making money with these immediately. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join now completely for free. The link to try Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0 is in the description below. Guys, what do you have to lose? Sign up, give it a try, start making money by selling AI content to local businesses. And you never know, maybe you can create an entire full AI business in a matter of weeks. Get excited, guys. 2026 and AI is just starting. This is the beginning of something so beautiful. And I think normal people like you and I are the ones who are early to the game. And those who are early, the early adopters make the most amount of money. It doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin or Shiba Inu, crypto, stocks, new technology, whatever the case may be. If you're early to the game, you show up, you practice, and you learn about these tools and you stay habitual, you can make a lot of money. Generational wealth, guys. Be a dreamer, be a believer, and don't stop believing. I think that's a Journey song.
Don't stop believing that Higgsfield is the best tool to make